What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the software keeps updating issue in hyperos. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings tap on about phone. Now tap on the software version and then here tap on this three dot more option. Now tap on update settings and here you will see a download automatically and update automatically button. So to turn off auto updating or keeps updating issue, first of all turn off update automatically, and if you also don't want to download it automatically, then you can also turn off download automatically. Now after turning off these two buttons, the auto updating or keeps updating issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on the power button. Now swipe down, and when this button gets green, then you can lift up your finger from the screen to restart your phone. And after restarting your phone, the auto updating issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the keeps updating issue in hyperos. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.